how to find your Facebook ads payment. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your Facebook ads payment. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now to get to this page, just click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. And click on the third option, which is payment. And here click on the second option, which is ads payment. Make payment or edit your payment settings. Wait for a second and they're gonna show you your ads payment. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.